How to compress videos on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to compress videos on iPhone, there are some ways by which you can do it. First of all, you can head over to your device settings and then head over to cameras. Once on camera, tap on record video and then lower the resolution. This way, the video will be compressed while it has been exported. Likewise, if you want to compress the video that's already taken on your iPhone, head over to your device gallery. Select the video that you want to compress and tap on Edit. Now, trim and crop the video to remove the unnecessary sections and then tap on Done. Once you tap on Done, it will ask you option to save the original video or save video as new clip. Select the second option, and once that is done, the video will be compressed. Likewise, there's another way to compress the video. In order to do so, head over to iMovie. Once you open iMovie, select the option of Movie. Now, select the video that you want. You can trim or edit the video now and then tap on Done. Now that you do so, the video will be compressed and you can share it with a lower compressed video. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.